Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on REALME 11 Pro Plus. First, check your headphones, test your headphones with another device, ensure they're working. Then, clean the charging port right here because probably you are connected with the headphones through this port, since the REALME 11 Pro Plus doesn't have a headphone jack. If you're connected with Bluetooth, then disable Bluetooth, enable it again. You can find a video of how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on our channel. Restart your phone and try with another pair of headphones. Then you can go into the settings, sounds and vibration, and make sure that here all the options that any of this isn't muted. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.